does it still hurt like this? Empty roads and neon signs reflect the ghost of better times. I see your shadow in passing cars, like you're never really far. But truth cuts deeper than the night. You chose to leave, I stay behind. Now every memory turns to pain when I hear your name in the rain. I try to run, I try to fade, but you're carved into my veins. And even silence sounds like you calling out again. Does it still hurt like this? If I could turn back time, I'd break the fall. But I'm just talking to shadows that don't answer at all. Like your face.